Good morning everyone, this is Srinitya from 7th Bose, Greenwood High School, Hunter Road, Warangal, standing before you to explain the topic multi-purpose herbal soap. Multi-purpose herbal soap is a cleansing product which is made up of useful herbs, plants without synthetic chemicals. To make an herbal soap, the materials required are any extracts you want and the powders. These extracts.
Tell some examples of extracts.
This is eucalyptus extract, this is rose extract, this is curry leaf extract, this is beetroot extract, pea flower extract, this is orange peel extract. These extracts are extracted from the powders. These powders are made from collecting the herbs from different places and then grinding it into fine powder after drying it in the shade, not in the sunlight. The procedure to make a herbal soap are weigh
What is that?
the soap base.
Soap base.
This is soap base. Weigh the soap.
How to prepare that also?
This is prepared by sodium hydroxide, glycerin plus coconut oil. Weigh the soap base and put it into a beaker. On the stove and let it melt. In the way we should prepare the extract. Place one more small brick into it and add beetroot powder. And then we should use only distilled water into the powder.
So now soap base need to melt, huh?
Yes, sir. Stir it well.
Distilled water.
Let the soap base melt completely. Let the extract filter. The soap base melted completely. Now take the extract and put it into the melted soap base. Add 2 ml of glycerin. This makes the soap to store last longer. Glycerin.
How much you are?
2 ml, ma'am. Then the castor oil.
That's also 2 ml.
Yes, ma'am. 2 ml. Aloe vera gel.
That how much?
2 ml to 1 ml. And vitamin E. 2 ml. And any essence if needed.
What is that?
Tulsi essence, 2 ml. Stir it well. Then pour it into the mouth. The scientific principles involved in this preparation of soap are saponification, pH balance, antimicrobial activities, antioxidant properties, and cleansing action. The applications used for this soap are, we mentioned that it is multi-purpose. So it is used for both hair, skin, it cures small wounds, and also it is very relaxing and relief from all the allergies of the caused on skin. My conclusion and motto is go back to the nature, and my motto is science through nature. Thanks for visiting our exhibit. Have a nice day.